Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, this is Peace, and today we are making groundnut sauce, another version of it. So right here we will need groundnut paste, which you're seeing here. This is store-bought groundnut paste, and this is silverfish. That's all we'll need for today's sauce. Let's go. We'll start by roasting our fish. So you add according to the number of people you are. Right now we are just 3. So this is okay. You don't need to add a lot of it because it might end up spoiling your sauce. So we roast it because of the smell that comes out of it. If you've ever tasted smoked fish, yeah, it's actually the same. So I guess we are done. You can see they've changed color. We don't want them to get burnt. Go ahead and remove. In our saucepan of water, I'll go ahead and drop in our groundnut paste. This is how it looks like. So I'll go ahead and drop it in. So with this one, I don't need to first mix it in water. It will dissolve itself when the water starts boiling. Then I'll go ahead and add in salt. And then I'll cover and let it boil. So in our mortar, I'll go ahead and add the silverfish. Then I'll start pounding because we want to use it in powder form. That's why we roast it and pound it. So you can notice they've started becoming powder in just a few seconds. So right now you can see there are just a few chunks left. It takes something like 2 to 3 minutes to do this. It doesn't really consume time. And right now we are done. You've learned a new way of making fish powder. So this is it. And our sauce right here has started to dissolve. So I'll give it a few more minutes. It will be boiling and it will all be dissolved. But you have to be near and keep on stirring because it can easily overflow. It has been boiling for a while now. So right now this is where we are. As you can see, it has started thickening, so it can't overflow. So I'll go ahead and cover it and leave it to simmer for some time. So right now our sauce has been simmering. I'll now go ahead and add in our ground silverfish. And then I'll just mix. You don't need to add it in water because it can easily dissolve in the sauce. So that's it. We'll cover it again and let it simmer for more 15 minutes. Are you ready? Just like I am. Okay, let's check and see. Look at that. Look at all this oil. It always comes after we've put the fish. So right now our sauce is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video, comment, like. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.